You don't want to dehydrate because you're so busy doing your routines. I'm done. Everybody's fed. I've finished my day. Hi everybody, Heather from New Zealand. Welcome back. If you are working full-time or maybe even working part-time and you're finding that your weekends are being taken up doing housework that you really don't want to be doing, you'd much rather be having free time with your family and friends and having some good relaxation time rather than cleaning, then this is the video made just for you. Now we go on to the arriving home. Again, I said I was assuming for this video that you work from 9 to 5, so I'm guessing you're getting home around about 5:30, 6 o'clock for the purposes of this video. So what are the first things you're going to do? Well, I always clear my mailbox on the way into the house. So you've got your mail in your hand, you've got your bags, you've got anything else that you're bringing in. You're arriving home. First of all, do not dump, okay? Hold those things in your hand and put them away. Where does your handbag usually live? Put your handbag there. That mail that you've got in your hand, is there junk mail there? Put the junk mail straight in the recycling. Is there some mail that needs sorting? Maybe you have a special place where you put that mail. Put the mail there, okay? So you're not creating another pile that you're going to have to clean up later. Now, next thing to do, you've arrived home, go to your room, take off your work clothes. And by that I mean, you know, you might be in high heels, you may have you may have a corporate wardrobe that you're wearing. I don't know what work you do. You may have been out, your job may be a cleaning job and more of a dirty job. You may have dirty clothes that need to go straight into the laundry machine. Change your clothes. Don't get into your pajamas and your slippers quite yet. Put some house clothes on and some shoes you can wear in the house. Yes, shoes, not slippers. Slippers send the message to your brain that it's time to relax and wind down. And we haven't quite got there yet, okay? So change your clothes and that gets us set and ready for our after work schedule. First thing we're going to do is we're going to reboot the laundry, okay? So we're going to go to wherever the laundry is drying and we're going to bring in all the clothes that are dry and ready to fold. We're also going to go to the laundry machine. We're going to take out that laundry and we're going to put that next laundry either up on the line, yes I know it's late in the day, but that's okay, up on the line or on the clothes horses, okay? And we're going to put another load of laundry in. So that might be the kids' school uniforms or your dirty clothes for the week, or it might be a set of towels. It doesn't matter what it is. That laundry load's going in. Now, you can start your laundry machine now if you want to, but I don't know, depending on where you live, it might be a bit sour and gone a bit smelly by the morning. If that's the case, just put your laundry machine, use the laundry machine's timer so it's finished, that load is finished again for the laundry. Okay, so we're going to do that. We're going to fold and put those clothes away. Now, that sounds like a lot, and it may be at first when you start taking on these habits. But if you're doing this every day, you know what? Those loads become really much smaller and it takes less time to hang out, less time to fold, less time to put away. So hang in there and keep doing this regularly, and those jobs that were big jobs become little jobs and take much less time. Okay, so we're home, we're changed, we've rebooted the laundry and taken it through its cycle again. We're doing really good. At this stage, I think, you know, you can put on the kettle and have a cup of tea while you're going. You don't want to dehydrate because you're so busy doing your routines. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is we want to start straight into dinner. Depending on what you've got planned, you may have something you're pulling out the freezer that you're just heating up. If you're really organised, you may have something that, you know, you may have put something in the crock pot that's ready and waiting for you, or it may be that you need to just start doing your preparation now, getting ready. This is a great time for me when I'm cooking in the kitchen to have the kids at the dining room table doing their homework. That's it, and I can listen to what they're saying or help them at the same time that I'm chopping the carrots or putting the rice cooker on or whatever it may be. So remember, you've got those things. You've got to interact with the rest of the family. These jobs and routines have to flow with what the people around you are doing as well. So we're going to have our dinner. We're going to have dinner all with the family. Hopefully, if everybody's home, we're going to have dinner. And then this is the one that is so hard for me. Do not have dinner, sit down and go, oh, I'm done. Everybody's fed. I've finished my day. Because if you stop there, then you're going to have all those dinner dishes waiting for you first thing in the morning, and it's going to muck up your system. So don't fall over yet. Get everybody, if while you were cooking you did your preparation dishes, you've only got those dishes on the table. So get everybody to put them in the dishwasher, wipe down the benches, dry the sink, make it shiny. I've got a video about shining your sink and keeping it clean. Put a quick sweep around the kitchen. Don't leave that kitchen dirty. Okay, leave it clean. Right, and next thing we start in on our evening routine. So we're starting to wind down and get ready for bed. But before we do so, what I want you to do is think about tomorrow. What have I got on tomorrow? Have a quick look at your diary. Okay, what are you going to wear tomorrow? Are you needing that corporate wardrobe again? Have you got a clean shirt for that? Put it all up on a hanger. I have a hook on the back of my bathroom door. I actually put it at the hook especially for this purpose, and I hang up tomorrow's clothes on that hook. I put my necklaces on or scarves that I'm going to be wearing with it. I get clean undies out of the drawer. I put them on a chair in the bathroom. I've got everything there. So in the morning when I walk in that bathroom to get dressed to shoes, everything's there. It's just a case of putting it on. I even have my jewelry. I have my earrings, so I'm not running around looking for a set of jewelry. Everything there ready to go. Now, why this is so important to do this, even at the end of the day when you don't feel like doing it, is that it makes the morning so much smoother. You don't have those decisions to make. It's just putting them on. Remember how I said these jobs become smaller? This is how you make them smaller. You're preparing ahead of time. So put out your clothes. Now you may find that you want to do this a little bit earlier, because remember when I said you get home and to get changed, you may find that that's a good time. Maybe you take off your work clothes and you think, oh well, I'll be wearing that cardigan or that jacket tomorrow. I'll put that on the hook. I'll grab the trousers out of the wardrobe I'm going to be wearing. You may find you can, as you're folding and putting away your laundry, you may think, oh, I'll wear that tomorrow or this tomorrow. Also think, is there anything extra I need to take to work? Have I got some library books that are due back? And I want you to create in your home a launch pad. Now this can be the top of a desk or a shelf somewhere near the door where you'll put things that you're going to take out of the house, where you're going to launch into your day. You're going to grab those things off your launch pad. So I might put a bottle of water, because I like to have a bottle of water in my car. I'm going to put that on my launch pad. I'm going to make sure that my diary and my phone is there and all charged and ready to go. I'm going to put my car keys there. So I found my car keys the night before, not 2 seconds before I should be leaving. I'm going to have everything there sitting ready to go, and we're going to have 3 piles: my pile, my husband's pile, my daughter's pile. So in the morning, everything, in the evening before we go to bed, everything's ready to go for the next day. So that launch pad. Now the next question I have for you is, remember we worked out what time we needed to get up. We also need to work out what time we need to go to bed so we get enough sleep, because you're not going to work well if you haven't had enough sleep. You're going to be grumpy and unkind to your family if you haven't had enough sleep. You're going to be really unhealthy and depressed if you haven't had enough sleep. So this is an important one. Now, I have worked out with my schedule is that I need my lights off by 10 o'clock. Now that's lights off by 10 o'clock to go to sleep. Start my morning routine at 6:30. So what time do you need to go to bed to fit in with what you need to do? What time? Work that out. Work that out for you. You can use my 10 o'clock if you want. If that gives you enough sleep, great. If not, you might find you need to go to bed earlier or later. Everybody's different. So we're now ready to get ready for bed. Maybe put our jammies on, our slippers, wash our teeth, wash our face, do everything that we need to do. Now sit down and relax. This is the time where you can put your feet up, maybe have a nice hot drink of something if you want, maybe watch a favourite TV program or do something else in the day. Have a little bit of relaxed and downtime. Knowing that everything is done and everything is set for the day. There's nothing you need to think about. There's nothing you need to remember to do. If there's something that needs to be done, you put it in the diary. So it'll get done tomorrow and you leave it in the diary and you have some rest time and you have some peaceful sleep. And then when you've gone to sleep, you wake up in the morning and you do that routine again.